We're going to try a true cold start here on the 61 Ford, just to prove it's a cold start rather than just put my hand on it. Right there, the manifold 40 degrees, the block is 37 degrees, the carburetor is 42 degrees. So, true cold start, here we go. Thing runs like a top. We did rebuild the carburetor. We put some new fuel lines in it, new fuel tank. Truck runs great, nice and smooth. You got a little bit of clicking out of the fan, that's what you might hear. Otherwise, very nice running truck. Battery charger plugged in.